It's a field that is very closely related to science. It's a fascinating field. It's still cutting edge. I work here at Daikin Goodman. I am the lab trainer. So I got my certification and worked my way through several different aspects of HVAC. I like the environment. I like the diversity of equipment I got to work on. I discovered that I like to teach by volunteering. I was an instructor and then program director for many years. When I got there, we had 9 students. I developed the program, eventually built the program up to 50 students with 3 other teachers. One of my goals when we developed this program was to create a very hands-on environment. That's how I learned my craft, so that's how I taught it. And that has, translated very well. So Daikin hired me. It was kind of fun because I had all of these graduates that were working here over the course of 5 years that they hired. Observation is a key component for diagnostics. Understanding of electrical, mechanical aptitude, but also understanding the science. There's just a lot of room for growth. The training program, I think, is essential. It gives you a base understanding of refrigeration systems, of troubleshooting, diagnostics. It's very important to keep up with the changes. Continued training is very important. I won't hesitate to recommend any of the graduates of the program. I know it's a good program and I know it gives them a solid background. This career needs more technicians than there are.